The canoe trip. Last summer, a friend convinced me to canoe to a remote island for camping. I had a bad feeling but went along. As we paddled out, a thick fog set in. Before long, we were lost. Suddenly, the canoe lurched and we were tossed into the frigid water. As I thrashed about, something coiled around my leg and yanked me under. I screamed and gulped water, certain I would drown. Out of nowhere, a hand grabbed me and pulled me into a canoe. A stranger tended to me as I coughed up water. He said we had to hurry. When I asked who he was, he gave a name that chilled me to the bone. Though confused and terrified, I knew I had to go with this ominous man. We vanished into the fog toward an uncertain fate.